Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Powermatic IV electric cigarette injector. This is another great machine from the Powermatic series. It makes king size and 100 size cigarettes. And today we're going to be doing a full product overview with all the features and then doing a demo showing it making 100 size and king size cigarettes. Then you can see why this is such an awesome machine. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the Powermatic IV, and what we'll do is we'll go over some of the product features here first before we get into an actual demo. What we have here is the hopper, which is kind of nice. So this hopper is removable. It pops on and off like this. What we got here is the tip where you're going to put your cigarette tube. On the back here we have a removable plug, which is really nice, especially for traveling purposes. On-off switch right here. So this is the lever that engages the machine, so you have to lift this up to put a tube on the tip, and then once you pull this down, then the machine will engage. And as that lever is pulled down, it will actually, this little piece here will hold the tube onto the tip. And one of the things I love about this machine is the size of it. So you can see by me holding it in my hands, it's not that big. So for traveling and just for moving from place to place, and it's very easy, and the machine makes great cigarettes. So you'll see that as we get on to the actual live demo part here, where we'll be making both 100 size and king size cigarettes. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and go on to the demo portion here, where we're going to go ahead and make king size and 100 size cigarettes. So the first thing we're going to want to do is fill up the hopper with tobacco. And today we're just using a good brand of pipe tobacco. So you go ahead and fill it up. And the thing I love about this hopper is it actually holds quite a bit for a small machine. So first thing you want to do is you're going to have to lift the lever up, and we'll make king size cigarettes first. So once you lift this lever up, you're then able to go ahead and stick this king size tube right on. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull some of this tobacco down into the chamber here. And you just kind of want to kind of push it and a little bit out to the corners here, kind of like this direction first. And then once you do that, you just want to pull it down in there evenly through the chamber and just kind of push down and pack it nicely. And then at that point, you're just ready to pull this lever down and engage the machine. All right, and so what you can see is that went ahead and made a nice cigarette right there. It's packed, there's no gaps, and we'll go ahead and make another one. So you got to lift this back up so you can put the tube on. Add another tube on right here. Okay, go ahead and make sure you pull your tobacco down the chambers and just kind of throw out the side a little bit, and then just go ahead and pack it down nice and evenly. And there's another cigarette right there. Nice and compact, it's tight, no gaps. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make a 100 size cigarette tube, and here's a tube. So we're just going to go ahead and slide it on the tip right here at the end. Okay, so we're going to pull it down. So the difference in doing the 100 size cigarettes is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your fingers and kind of pull the tobacco to the outside corners first a little bit, like this, and just kind of pack those corners out like this, and then you pull it and evenly fill the chamber, and then go ahead and pack it straight down like this, and then go ahead and engage this machine. Okay, and then we get a nice filled cigarette, tight and no gaps. Let's go ahead and do another one. So let's make sure we lift our lever up here. Let's go ahead and get this tube on right there. So same thing, I'm gonna push down and out to the corners first here like so, and then I'm gonna make sure my chamber's filled and go ahead and pack it down like this. And then at that point, go ahead and pull the lever down. And there we go. We get a nice full cigarette, no gaps, tight, very nice. So the one thing I love about this machine is it consistently makes really good cigarettes very quickly. And as you can see, it makes 100 size and king size both, so there's no issues there, and it makes them fantastically, which is what I love it. And the other thing is too, is this hopper, for such a small machine, it's got a good size hopper. So if you fill this up to the top here, you can make quite a few cigarettes before you're going to have to go ahead and refill it up. So this is a great machine. I would definitely recommend it. And if today's video has helped out, please go ahead and make sure you hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.